Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, gonna be working on a buddy Subaru here. He's got a 2018 STI. Before we start, I do want to take a second. I've been getting a lot of comments. The video for the vote, people have been having problems. The tab isn't coming down in their video. Some people get it, some people don't. I've looked into it, apparently it's a problem some people are having with YouTube. We are going to be restarting the vote with a third-party website, a link to a third-party website to vote, so you guys all get your votes in, because some people are complaining that they can't vote, which means they're not getting a say, and that's obviously not what we want. We want to make sure everybody gets their vote and gets a say in what's going on. So I'll post a video probably later on today or tomorrow about that. We will be starting that vote again. But today, we've got Avery Subaru here. It's a 2018 STI. And he's decided we're going to put an exhaust on it. It is the Tomei Extreme Titanium. I think it's going to sound pretty good. So we'll do a quick install. It's a really easy install, guys. Like, it's 10 bolts to install it. So I'll just put it on. So we've got the exhaust on now. Didn't take long, just 20 minutes or so. It's not a lot. Again, this is the Tomei Extreme TI titanium exhaust for a 2018 STI. Really good quality. All the wells are perfect, the bends. It's a really nice exhaust. I'm really impressed with how tight the fitment is. So I mean, it goes down, fits where it's supposed to fit, nice and tight. No slop or play in it. So we'll get the decibel meter out and see what it sounds like.